How quickly can you create a finished quotation from multiple step files? In this short video, we show you how simple and efficient costing with PROfirst really is. It makes no difference whether the parts need to be bent on a press brake or are simple 2D blanks. Both can be processed together. We drag the step files into the calculation window and our 3D step unfold module starts automatically. With just one click, all parts are unfolded, saved as DXF files, and transferred directly into the calculation. The software automatically detects all machining operations. Processes such as bending, countersinking, drilling, or chamfering are analyzed automatically and added to the respective item. This saves valuable time and reduces input errors to an absolute minimum. In the next step, we enter the desired quantity and start the automatic nesting. The software creates a separate nesting for each material type and sheet thickness, and optimizes each one multiple times to achieve the best possible material utilization. After just a few moments, all nestings are completed and the finished calculation can be saved. We then send the quotation directly from the software. With one click on the email icon, your standard email program opens automatically. The quotation is saved as a PDF on the server and attached to the email, ready to be sent to your customer immediately. Would you like to see how quickly your own parts can be calculated? Simply send us your step files or schedule a free online demonstration. We will be happy to show you how PROfirst Calc Costing module can significantly accelerate your quotation process while making your calculations more precise.